Today we're at Emirates Foundation Youth Summit. Let's find out what it's all about.
Yeah, let's go!
What's been your favourite activity you've done today?
And I choose the roller coaster. It's the creepiest thing, but I really loved it.
How do you think virtual reality links to one?
Maybe some people have, when they're afraid of something, but when you go to virtual reality, you go to another world that you cannot experience in the real world.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you experience virtual reality, like you go to another world, another experience, another feelings, reactions. So this is the most amazing thing that I could, yeah.
Can I try? Can you have a
You
go
can
at
try.
it?
Yeah. Comfortable?
Does it look cool? The whole idea of today is linking to innovation and leadership. How does this game necessarily link to it?
Actually, this is related to technology. It's a future of technology.
Can I have a go?
Yeah, you can try.
Okay. Why are you guys here today?
We're actually called, in our school, we are called future leaders. We're here to improve ourselves, see what's going on in the world and what's going on in the UAE and what they have improved. So we need to be part of everything. We need to improve the United Arab Emirates in every way.
What do you think you can improve yourself?
Myself? Maybe I could be better in English. Maybe I could help people who need help. There's a lot of people who need our help. So we're here to do that.
I'd like to know, what does financial literacy mean to you?
Financial literacy means to me today is the future, the investing in future.
Okay.
It shows us how to manage our financials, how to manage our income, and manage even the sources of income that we do have today. And by knowing how to do saving, how to do budgeting, how even to look for investments that will look that will support you in the future, without taking loans, going to credit cards, struggling in managing such loans, unnecessary loans, and taking high interest, paying to the banks for long term.
Who's your target audience?
Our target audience are youth who are aged between 15 to 35. This is the target youth of Emirates Foundation, and specifically for Israf Sah. Israf Sah means in English spend well. So we go to the schools, we go to universities, we do like small workshops to them, raising awareness about financial literacy. We give them tips how they can do smart shopping, how they can support their parents in managing the house items, how they can start saving from today, and how they can even awarding themselves by saving.
What's the main focus on this piece of work?
This is a big picture to show the Emirates Foundation in the middle and then all of their programs around the outside.
Okay.
So just basically helping people understand what the program exists to do and a little bit about the initiatives of each program.
Our first question to you is, what is your business about?
We want to empower the youth as well. We want them to be a part of the social change that we're going to create. We want them to work hard, we want them to learn new things, and we want them to help the society as a whole.
Which of these post-its do you think relates to you the most?
Probably this one.
What does it say?
Enjoy your youth, be bold.
take smart risks and have fun.
Why do you think it relates the most?
Because I feel like our generation wastes too much of their time, like making drama for themselves, making themselves stressed and worried about things that aren't really significant in the future. I mean, there's so many things that I wish I would have done when I was because I'm 22 now, so when I was 18, I wasted a lot of time being sad and being confused because I don't know what I want to do, So it's kind of like you have to get out there and experience everything, so try a little bit here. That's why I came here today, because it's a new thing for me as well. So I decided, let me try volunteering, maybe it's something that I would enjoy and I would stick to it. Which one do you find most relevant?
The one I find most relevant would probably be the future depends on what you do today.
Why do you think so?
Because like you said, a lot of people waste their day sitting on their phones, mucking about with things that aren't important when technically every day counts. Today was a really good day.
We learned a lot.
Emirates Foundation is really cool.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.